little stars! Welcome to Magic Learning Kids.
I'm your friend, and today we're exploring the dazzling letter D.
Can you say D?
Great!
The letter D makes the sound.
Let's find some D words together.
First, we have a friendly dog. Dog. Look at him wagging his tail.
Next is a beautiful doll. A doll. She has a pretty dress. Do you like playing with dolls? Look, a yellow duck is swimming. Duck. It says quack, quack.
Knock, knock. Who's there? It's a door. Door. Let's open it and see what's inside. Boom ba ba doom. Play the drum. Drum. Can you drum your fingers like this? Shh, look at the gentle deer. Deer. He has such big antlers. Here comes a hard-working donkey. Donkey. He says,
Dolphins, the jumping dolphin. They love to play in the blue ocean.
a kind doctor helps us stay healthy. Doctor. Say thank you, doctor.
And look, a sparkling diamond. It shines so bright, just like you. You did an amazing job today. We learned 10 magical words starting with D. Which one? Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye!